What's up, you guys, and welcome to another video. So this video is going to be talking about what our strategy is and also how we're changing the warehouse to make it better. It's been almost 7 years since I've been at this warehouse, and I had lost a lot of passion, a lot of desire to change it because it's been through so many changes. And we had Ventura window film and Rpfilms, and now we're back to Rpfilms. Very exhausting. 20 to 27 years old, 20 to 8 years old now. So I'm 28, turning 29 this year, and I want things to be a bit more simple. I want to make a decision and it lasts a long time. So everything that we're going to be showing you guys in this video has been well thought out, and I'm excited to finalize it, make it cool, make it something that's efficient and better for our distribution on the West Coast. But let me show you guys what's going on. All right, so here is the front of the warehouse because we have this big, like busy road. It's hard for people to identify where we're at. So normally we only had like one big sign. It's way over there, so it's hard for people to find us sometimes. So we added a banner and this flag, which you can't really see but flies around. I'm going to be adding, I think 1, 2, 3, 4 more, 3 more, so that way it looks pretty cool. But here's our boot camp that my girl owns, and then our warehouse. So let's walk up to the door. Here we have our big RP tinting sign. We're gonna be adding something to the door eventually. So here we currently just have like blank. I'll make some stickers. Here we just added this today. Rpfilms rug. Okay, like help, some branding when you first come in. You come in, you got the Rpfilms, Rpfilms, Rpfilms everywhere. We have a crooked Rpfilms over there, and here it's a mess because we're organizing this. We picked up one of these ourselves manually. It was quite difficult, but here this is just, we're kind of setting it up and seeing what it would look like, but we are going to be putting it back into the office over here. So this will be the distribution, and it's again a bit of a mess because we're organizing things right now, but this entire side over here is going to be racks, which are similar to the ones over there. There we're going to have a big cutting machine to actually cut the film, which actually might be here. It's going to cut the film. We're going to have a bunch of racks. Our strapping box is probably going to be somewhere over here. And then this mess, I'm just going to hide it in the corner over here because it's just extra stuff that it's actually not supposed to be here. It's my cousin's stuff, but we're storing it here for a while. But yeah, we're going to organize all this, make sure it's all nice and clean. And these racks are going to make a big difference in that. So let's go over here. Here we have the room that we're working on, and it's gonna make this super nice. So we've got Jared, we've got another desk over there, and then this is all gonna be micro cement texture, and we're gonna have the left side is gonna be my side, all of my own portraits, and the right side is all of Jared. And this will be that same rug that was in the other room, but just large, huge, 96 by 120 inches. So it's gonna be massive. All right, so that's it. It's actually cold over here. All right, so that's the update here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the warehouse tour. That's about it for today. Hopefully next time I show you guys the warehouse tour to be complete, and you guys can see what it all looks like being done. But this is our West Coast installation and distribution. The Texas warehouse has a completely different setup, so maybe one day we can go tour there. But that's it, guys. See you in the next video.